Hello guys, so let's see one interesting command in siemens controller. Well, it is common in manufacturing field to make or generate hole in some components or in some design on CNC machine, right? For particular milling machine. So it will have some closed tolerances, like if and there is a one cutting tool like end mill or cutter, it will be easy to control the tolerances, right? So in this traditional method, the end mill is goes or impact approaches directly towards the material. End mill directly penetrate in material linearly. So the end mill generates some marking on this particular wall when it directly approaches towards the material, right? But somehow if we do something like we move our tool or in like radially or make some arc, and if that end mill approaches towards the material, it never make any markings or impression on wall surface. So it is easier for penetration in material, for approaching and for retraction toolpath, right? So there is one command in siemens controller, KONTC. Well, how it work, like let's see one simulation. Like there is a one G71, G90, G94, G64, some cutting parameters, tool call command G0, X0, Y0 at center, the tool Z -10, and then G1, G41 just put over here KONTC command. Our tool will approaches with some tangential arc. Like this, our tool approaches in circle or penetrate in material with some tangential arc. So it will be easier for tool to penetrate in material, and the tool never make any marking or any impression on whole surface, right? For anti-clockwise direction and for clockwise direction, both are included. KONTC works for clockwise direction toolpath and anti-clockwise direction toolpath, like this. If the tool going to move in clockwise direction, the arc will generate like this, right? So tool never make any marking, and the tool life is also increases when it approaches in some tangential arcs. So otherwise the tool directly moves linearly towards the circle, just like here. Use KONTC command and it will be easier for us for making a good hole, right? And all the best guys, it will be looking good hole with some aesthetic views. And